just stepped outside because I was going to run to the store. And the wind is blowing like crazy. And I saw some lightning. I'm still going to go, but I thought you might want to see this. It's pretty cool. So I'm in my car. This is another video I'm making here. Same day. The sun is sticking out during a severe thunderstorm warning. Oh, can I open this now? Well, it's calming down for a minute. There should be a rainbow somewhere. Okay. Wow, this is incredible. Alright, bye-bye. Is a rainbow. Yep, definitely. That's fantastic. Okay. I love it. I love it. Alright. Wow. It looks like a double rainbow. Man, that's fantastic. Alright, bye-bye.